Welcome back, it's Anders. Today I'm gonna show you how to make the Aviation cocktail, which is a pre-prohibition classic that was created in the years that followed the birth of flight. It was made as an ode to the aviation industry. There were a number of cocktails that came out at the same time, all calling themselves the Aviation, but the one that stuck was created by Hugo Ensslin, which has a nice purple hue to it. It's bright, refreshing, and floral, and if you like the last word, you might like the Aviation. It's also gin-based with 4 ingredients, but unlike the last word, which is all equal parts, the Aviation is a little bit trickier to balance, so I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. Also, I would like to add, if this is your first time here, welcome to the channel. If you would like more sips, tips, and recipes, please hit that subscribe button, and you can be part of this wonderful family. Anyway, I'm glad you found us. Let's go make this drink. To the bar. I'm gonna be making this cocktail twice. One shaken, one stirred. I'll explain later. But in the meantime, for tools, I've got my jigger, my tin-on-tin Boston shaker, mixing glass, hawthorn strainer, fine mesh strainer, and my bar spoon. It's a lot of tools, but you'll see. Now the booze. We're gonna need gin, violet liqueur, maraschino liqueur. That was a terrible slide. Let me try that again. Maraschino liqueur and lemon juice, freshly squeezed. And also cocktail cherries, because we're gonna garnish this with a cherry. The gin I'm using is Journeyman Bilberry Blackheart's gin. The violet liqueur is Rothman and Winter's Crème de Violette. And the maraschino liqueur is Luxardo Maraschino. I'm using a local gin that is one of my favorites. This is a cocktail that's 2/3 gin, so make it one that you like because you're definitely gonna be able to taste the gin. Crème de Violette is a violet liqueur, and the Rothman and Winter is a readily available brand that I like very much. The maraschino liqueur is a herbal cherry liqueur from Luxardo. So the reason why I'm shaking and stirring this cocktail is because a general rule is if there's citrus involved, you want to shake the cocktail, because by shaking it, you aerate the cocktail and it rounds off the sharp acidity of the citrus. However, the Aviation is known for its purple hue. That comes from the crème de violette, and this particular recipe calls for just 1/4 of an ounce of the crème de violette. So it's easy to lose that color if you're shaking up the cocktail. I have found that if you stir it, it maintains the purple hue, and so for the last 8 to 10 years, I've been stirring my Aviation. It wasn't until just recently I realized that within the cocktail community, there's some controversy as to whether you should shake or stir this cocktail, because I'm not the only person that thinks that the color sticks around if you stir it, but other people are saying, no, you should shake it because there's citrus involved. So I've never done a side-by-side, and I'm gonna do it today, and I'm excited. I might be very wrong, and by the end of this, I may say, we need to shake our Aviations. We'll see. This is gonna be fun. Let's build. I'm gonna build these cocktails at the same time because it's just easier that way. You're gonna start with 2 ounces of gin. A 1/4 of an ounce of the crème de violette. Another 1/4 of an ounce of the maraschino liqueur. And 1/2 an ounce of your fresh lemon juice. Now we can add ice and shake and stir. If you decide to shake, you can shake, and stir if you stir. If you're doing both like I am, you can do them at the same time. It's just a quicker way to get it done. You're gonna be shaking for less time than stirring. Don't overthink it, just start stirring and shaking. I start stirring first because it's gonna take longer. Once you get your rhythm, you can start shaking. See, that one's done, but this one's still going. Although we're getting close, we're getting close. We done yet? Yeah, there it is. Okay, I've got 2 chilled glasses here, coupes. I'm going to put some cherries at the bottom. If you're shaking, double strain into the cocktail glass. And if you're stirring, single strain will do. All right, there we are. Wait, no, it's not ready. Oh no. I'll be right back. I'm just going to hit this with a little lemon oil on top. Bring out the lemon. And there they are, the Aviation. Wow, and they do look very different. I'm going to carefully bring these closer. So this is the stirred Aviation. It has that nice purple hue. And here's the shaken, cloudier sky. The true test will be tasting. I'm gonna start with the stirred. Cheers. If you like a last word, I recommend trying the Aviation. It's a bit more floral, but kind of in that same vein. Now, the shaken Aviation. Ooh. It is a little different. It tastes thinner to me, just lighter, and I taste more of the maraschino. No, the stirred is more flavorful. I would choose the stirred cocktail. Would you like to try these, Oz?
I would. I'm very curious.
Yeah, this is really a good side-by-side.
I'm very curious.
The build is exactly the same. Oh, that was the worst clink ever. Okay.
Tart.
Mm-hmm.
Floral.
Floral.
Oh, it is different.
It is, right? Just, yeah, that cocktail has more air in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you definitely, at least I do, I get the violet liqueur more in the stirred cocktail.
Yes.
If I were to have any more citrus, then I would say definitely shake it. Now I wonder, like, if I brought up the crème de violette in the shaken one, you know, maybe you'd get more of that floralness. Floralness is, I don't even know if that's a word, but you'd get more of it. You shake this one up and it's a little bit more dangerous. It goes down very easy. There's part of me that wants to just dump them together. Yeah, we're gonna fix the problem. Hey, that's pretty good. Something about the lemon juice and the violet liqueur, they make gray. They're complementary colors. On the color wheel, they're opposites, yellow and purple. Art major coming through here. That's why I stir. Because you've got your primary, you've got yellow, then you've got blue, then you've got red, then you've got purple, then you've got green and orange, and the yellow and the purple are opposite each other, so you get this brown color in the middle. That's what happens with the Aviation. So when you stir it, you're just kind of like gently saying, okay, you guys like play together. When you shake it, you're like, just like, everybody's gonna be one. I get it. I get both sides of the argument. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified the next time a video comes out. And I will see you next time. Cheers. Like and subscribe.